In this video, I'll show you how to change your Steam password on mobile. So on the main screen, press your profile photo in the top right, and then you want to scroll down until you see account details, which will just be below the inventory. So press on account details, and then you'll see that you have a menu at the top that you can scroll across. So scroll to the right until you see security and devices and press on that. From here, scroll down again, and below your Steam username you should see the option to change your password. Press that. That's going to launch your internet browser, in which you just have to sign into Steam on there. So press sign in. That'll log you into Steam, and it's going to ask how you want to change your password. Select the top option, email a verification code to your email, and then you're going to go into your email and get the code. I've logged into my email. Now I'm simply going to copy the code and then come back to our internet browser and paste it, and then press continue. So now it'll put you onto the password reset page, and you simply choose a different password and then confirm the password. Once you've done that, to confirm it, press change password, and you'll see that your password has been updated. So that's how to change your Steam password on mobile. Thank you for watching.